in. Sweet. So, now, how can I load a new G-code in here?
You can drag and drop the file, or you can click the upload button at the bottom of the page.
So what I did is I just had an order for an E4A. So we're going to drop the G-code. Did not work. Nope, there it goes. So it just loaded. We're going to set our temperature for 230. We're going to set our bed temp at 100. And now you should see the graph starting to show temp. So temperatures are increasing up to 30°C, 35°C, 39°C. So temps are increasing. So on our controls here, you got temperature control G-code viewer. So what the G-code actually shows is this part right here. So you can see it's got the skirt and the actual base layer. I'll show you by layer what it's actually going to print. And as it goes up the Z-axis, you can see it starts to bridge the gaps. And then eventually there's going to be new gaps right here until it just comes to the little knobs at the top. Alright, so we're approaching 230 degrees Celsius, which is at the higher end of the material that I'm using. And I'm going to hit print. In the meantime, my sister's going to go downstairs and be ready at the printer. So I'll show you how it's going to connect wirelessly through Raspberry Pi, and we'll go from there. Right, so here we have a Raspberry Pi 3 that's just loaded with Octoprint software, and then it's just connected USB to the printer. And so if we come over to the screen, you'll see that it's heated up down here to 230 degrees. And the print bed's at 100, well, 84 degrees, warming up to 100. And I will go upstairs and print, and then show you that it works well. Probably help if I loaded the material, you think?